Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in digital transformation sentiment, with a score of plus 0.85 and a momentum of plus 0.18 over the past 24 hours. This uptick is noteworthy. It's well above historical baselines, indicating an unusually optimistic sentiment shift. Our API provides nuanced insights, returning not just the sentiment score, but also semantic clusters and detailed contextual data about this phenomenon. For instance, you could use this to identify driving themes behind the surge, helping you tailor your product strategy or marketing campaigns effectively. If you're looking to leverage sentiment data to inform your business decisions, dive into our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of this momentum together.